If you have received photos on WhatsApp and if they are not showing in the Photos app of your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max or the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can fix this issue. First of all, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just tap on Apps. From here, just look for the WhatsApp app. Then tap on it, and from here, just tap on Photos. Now, if it is on None or Limited Access, just select Full Access. Now just tap on Allow Full Access. Now after you do that, then just go to your home screen and open WhatsApp. From here, just tap on the profile icon or the settings icon at the bottom right corner on the screen. Now from here, just tap on Chats. On this page, you will find the option of Save to Photos. Now just enable this toggle. And after you do that, just go back. Then tap on Storage and Data. Now on this page, just scroll down. And under the Media Auto Download section, just tap on Photos. Now if it is on Never, just select Wi-Fi or Wi-Fi and cellular data. Now after you have done that, and if you receive a photo on WhatsApp, as you can see, I have received a photo on WhatsApp. And if I go to the home screen and if I open the Photos app, as you can see, the photo has been automatically saved to the Photos app, just like that. Now if you want to save the older photos which you have received on WhatsApp to the Photos app, just open WhatsApp and select the photo which you want to save to your Photos app. From here, just tap on the Share button, then select Save. Tap on Save. And after you do that, you will save the selected photo to your Photos app, just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.